After the code, the workday ends. A new project with new friends. Left my home for northern skies, with new ideas in my eyes. LangLaLang is built anew. AI helps to see it through. Building my tech dream for you. Building my tech dream for you.
Hi everyone. Over the last 3-4 months, I've been busy on my Saturdays and sometimes Sundays. I've been working on my project, LangLaLang. It's an app for learning languages and this is the second version. The idea is the same, but everything else is completely new. I assume there are some reasonable questions. Why? And on weekends, right? You know, people don't usually work on weekends for free, except parenting. Anyway, here's my reasons for this. First, personal development as a software engineer. If you are a software engineer like me, you will understand, right? Usually, meaning in stable companies, you are not allowed to switch databases or change the entire infrastructure in one day just to see what happens to everything. Nope. Don't get me wrong, I totally get why it's this way, but you won't learn something new without breaking something in the process. In my personal project, I could move something from Postgres to S3 and then put it back because it wasn't a great idea. I can wipe code the whole UI in 20 minutes to see how it looks and then throw it away because it doesn't work. Of course, that will change as soon as there are users other than me. But for now, I am free to do whatever I want, and I think this will continue to be the case to some extent, even with new users. Second, learning language myself. I have my own personal technique for learning new languages. The problem is that I couldn't find anything even remotely close to my way of learning. There is nothing magical about it. The technique is actually very simple, but there is nothing else like it out there. So I created the first version to learn languages myself. I actually learned Spanish using my app. With this second version, learning a new language has become even easier. Third reason. It's not me, it's AI replacing me. Yeah, before AI replaces me, it actually allowed me to implement a lot of new features. It helped me to make my app more complete. You don't have to use anything other than this app to learn a new language, and that's thanks to AI. Imagine I don't need to buy content, logos or designs, and I can code 10 times faster. I have no one I need to ask for an opinion. My ideas go straight into the code. I can do things on the weekends that would have previously taken me months just to understand. Deploy to Amazon? No problem. Develop an Android app on Maui? No problem. Love it. So what? You are probably wondering, so what? There are a bunch of developers working on pet projects all day. Yes and no. This is something different. This is something I am currently using to learn German, and I used it before to learn Spanish. I even used this same technique to learn French and English years ago, before this app existed. So it's something that you should take a look at if you are interested in new languages. I'll leave the link in the description of this video. By the way, there is a chance that you won't find content for the specific language that you are learning yet. For example, I don't have Italian currently. Or your language level might be higher than what I have right now. But this will be constantly updated. I will be supporting more languages and targeting different levels. Just wait for news from me. I will be updating you on that. Bye.
After the code, the workday ends. A new project with new friends. Left my home for northern skies, with new ideas in my eyes. LangLaLang built anew. AI helps to see it through. Building my tech dream for you. Building my tech dream for you.